All right, I'm gonna take you up to walk you through the garden real quick. It's gonna be a warm day again. Yesterday we had a heat index of 107. I believe today is supposed to be the same, and then tomorrow it's supposed to cool down a little bit. But here we go. Here's your tomato plants. All these right down here. Let me get inside here. Oh, there's the 1C challenge right there, and you can see the blooms that we've got on it, just all over. It's definitely a different plant compared to these. It's just tall and lanky, and these are just full. You know, the plants are just full. You can see all the tomatoes in here. They're just everywhere inside here. Every plant's loaded with them. See there, you can see there, just all the way down. Here, the four plants here are green beans, and then the very back row is the rest of my green beans. Here we have peppers. They're going to be ranging from jalapeno. Here's some peppers right there, to regular green peppers. To look at these down here, banana peppers. Banana peppers. Corn is junk. Insects are grabbing it, so I'm peeling it, giving it to the birds. Birds and the goats are just getting after it. Like I said, and there's the rest of the green beans right there. We have on this row here is all broccoli, and I've got an insect, and we've got starting to grow some fruit there, and I just don't want, I'm just trying not to spray, put nothing on this. Like I said, these should have been done like a month earlier, but I wasn't ready for the garden. Here is some zucchini. 2 plants are getting big, a lot of blooms inside, nothing going on yet. This whole row right here is okra, all the way through, and we've got stuff on them. That whole row right there is snap peas, sugar snap peas, that whole row. Alright, it's all looking really full and good. I already told you guys before about the all my grapes. That's full of grapes in there. Alright, let's go over to the trellis garden. And here's the trellis garden. Cucumbers galore. They are everywhere. These are just 6 plants, and they're just popping up everywhere. There's one right there on this side. We've got one hanging over there. There's another one right there. Here's some acorn squash. Let's see here. We've got squash bugs, and ain't nothing you can do about it. And that's why I like to have squash, but you can't grow it here. There's more cucumber there. There's another cucumber there. Nice one down there. Another one right there. Another one back there. Another small one right there. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. They're just everywhere. More than we can want right now. This is the squash that's gone all the way across the top, and it's over on this side now. This cucumber plant's going the other direction. Here is some cantaloupe. We've got another one that's down inside there in the middle. All looking good. Anyway, here's some more cucumbers. This one showed you a minute ago, but there's more behind there. Another one back there. There's 2 right down there. They're all doing good. everything's looking good except for the squash plants. And I thought maybe I'll be able to get away from them this year of not having insects, but it's happening. You can see what's happened right here. So I'll have to pull that. You can see right here. When you see your trunk get these tunnels, they're done. It's over. It's just a matter of time before it just kills the whole plant. So this one here, well, this may be no good too, because look, it's may have burrowed right inside the fruit. I have to cut that and see. We have a fruit there. We have, there's another one up here somewhere. Yep, right there. But that's it. All this, and that's all I got. You can see how it's all just plain dying out. There's the borers right there. See, they're just everywhere. They're all inside this whole plant. That stinks. You know, I've sprayed for insects many years, and I still get these borers no matter what happens. It's just like a lost cause trying to do that with these. It just is. I can't ever, just can't do it. I don't know why. Here's just the crazy. And oh, there's another big nice fruit right there. So I got a feeling here I'm going to have to pull this out really soon. That way and get rid of the insects that's in the ground around there. Alright guys, well that's just a quick video of walk around the garden. More cucumbers than what we need. I mean, my wife and I, here's another big one right there. We went and looked and seen how many cucumbers jars we've got left. We've got like 15 of them, quart size. We don't need no more pickles. So that's why we did with a small garden. We went with that type of garden right there. You know, something that her and I can just pull off and eat. Grapes. I keep saying there's grapes just everywhere around here. Crazy. Everywhere. Just nuts. Need to keep an eye on them. Here's the garden again. They're almost 5 foot tall. That's 4.5 foot right there. I'm downhill a little bit, so it looks taller than that. But there we go. This is the update for today. Today is, I don't even know what the date is, guys. Oh, the 31st. Or is it the 1st of July? July 1st. Yeah, July 1st. Hey, Happy. What are you doing, honey? Let's take you over real fast to go see the Cornish cross real quick. And we're going to call it done. Here we go. Cornish cross are looking really good. They're looking really, really good, all of them. And there's 45 and just 23 here and 22 and 22 because we lost one. There we go. There's the update for the birds. And that's all that's going on today. Not much more. Need to go and turn the sprinkler off on this side of the house and we'll call it done. Let's go see real fast if we don't have any deer out back. Let's just check real quick. Nope. No deer. They're not bedding down. Sometimes this time of day they can be bedding down back over there or back in that area. No deer. Alright guys, well, man, the heat. Just too hot. I'm going to go show you this real quick too. Here's the sprinkler system working. This is my farthest north sprinkler that I just really started using. I haven't been using too much the last couple of years. I just haven't put nothing down, but I put seed down and cleared out between the trees and stuff. You can see the good water pressure I have. That's 200 feet away from the well. Yeah, from the well. I could put a third one in, but I don't need it in this area. And I also kind of designed it a little bit so it'd water some of those woods along the edges, so it fills in, makes the yard look really good. That's what it's doing now. It goes the same with that. And it does come all the way around. It's all up here. But time to shut this off. Alright guys, you all have a great day. Thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate it. And you all have a great day. And stay cool. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.